I'm Lucy Cohen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mazuma. And Mazuma is a subscription-based accounting service for micro businesses operating all across the UK. It was really important to me when we started the company that it wasn't just a local business. Wales is such a powerhouse when it comes to entrepreneurship, when it comes to skill sets. So it's always been hugely important to me to develop a workforce that has skills and that can stay in Wales. When I look at the talent we've built, when I look at the products and services that we've created that were kind of unheard of when we very first started, we were the first pioneering people to do this stuff. It's hard not to be proud of that. So to be nominated is an absolutely huge honour. It's something I never expected would happen, but to be recognised as somebody who has contributed to Wales outside of just kind of what I do in my own company is a huge privilege and a huge honour. If I can encourage one woman just to be that little bit braver and just to maybe speak up that once or apply for that job that they don't think they're quite qualified for, but they could probably do really well. If anything I've done over the last 18 years has inspired just one person to do that, I think that's a success.